and welcome to day 15 of December Doodles with Catherine. Today we're going to be drawing Christmas candles. So first we need to draw a rectangle and a little line in the middle at the top for the wick. That's the bit that you light. Now let's add a flame. We'll start with a little circle and we'll put a dot somewhere above the circle. Now using a nice smooth curve shape, join the circle to the dot like this. And we'll use a slightly wavy line to join up the other side. That gives us a nice flame shape. And now we're going to rub out that little bit of the circle we don't need and draw nicely round the flame so that it's all nice and smooth. Now to make it look a little bit more realistic, we're going to add some drips of wax. So we're going to draw 3 tiny circles down one side of our candle. This helps us to get the drip shape. Then we're going to use curvy lines to attach the circles to the top of our candle. Your highest circle is going to curve around and make sure it joins up to the very top corners of your rectangle. And then the others, straight lines curving in a little bit and then out and round the circle. That's why we drew the guide circles to help us get that nice drippy shape. And then we're going to rub out those little guide circles and any of the rectangle lines that are inside the drips because we don't want those anymore. And then we need to curve around the top of our candle. And you can add some shine lines around the flame too if you like. Ta-da! You've drawn a candle! How are you going to use yours? I hope you enjoyed creating that. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on in December Doodles. See you tomorrow.